Bonjour! In this video, I will show you how to reproduce this 3D cookie cream lettering on Procreate. On this tutorial, you will learn how to easily create a 3D effect with the transformation tool and how to add a cookie pattern on top of your lettering. If you want to use the same color palette as me, I have created a pack that contains all the color palettes from my Procreate tutorials. You can get it for free thanks to the link just below this video. Okay, let's go! First, choose the size of your canvas. In my case, I will use a screen size canvas. We will directly create our own background, so you can hide the default background color layer. Choose the color light gray from the color palette and drop it on your canvas. Choose the soft brush from the airbrushing brush set with a large size and the white color from the color palette. Then apply your brush lightly in the middle of your canvas. Your background is now ready. Let's create the letter. For this, we need to create a large size monoline brush. Go to your brush library, calligraphy, slide from right to left on the monoline brush and duplicate it. Tap on the duplicated monoline brush. Inside the Brush Studio, set spacing to 10% and streamline to max. Go to the properties and set the maximum brush size to 170%. Then tap done at the top right. Create a new layer. Choose the orange color from the color palette. Choose a large brush size. Create your C-shape with your new monoline brush. Then hold your Apple Pencil on your screen. Put a finger on your screen to create a perfect circle shape and move your Apple Pencil to rotate your shape correctly. Now we will create the 3D effect on your letter. First, you need to duplicate your letter twice. For the one in the middle, drop the light gray color. And for the bottom one, drop the light brown color. Now, with the transformation tool, move your brown letter to the bottom. And the light gray one slightly to the left. Choose the light orange color with the soft brush. Turn on Alpha Lock on your layer by sliding with 2 fingers to the right. Apply the orange color across your top layer. On the middle layer, turn on Alpha Lock and apply the same color to the right side of the shape to create shadows. and do the same thing on the bottom layer with the brown color. Now you can merge these 3 layers to get the first part of your cookie. To create the cookie cream, duplicate your layer twice. On the middle layer, make sure to have Alpha Lock enabled thanks to the checkered background on the layer's thumbnail. Choose the white color from the color palettes and fill your middle layer with a brush like medium brush from the airbrushing brush set with a maximum size. Now tap the transformation tool, then move this layer down. Use also the transformation tool with the bottom layer, then move it even lower. Go back to the middle layer. Choose the soft brush with the light gray color and use it to create shadows on the cream part. Now you can merge these 3 layers. Let's add the bitten part of the letter. Choose the eraser with the monoline brush. Draw 3 arcs to represent the bite made by the teeth. Then erase the eaten part. Duplicate your layer. Make sure Alpha Lock is activated on the duplicated layer. Choose the light brown color on the medium brush. Then fill the shape with it. Tap the transformation tool. Then drag your layer slightly to the bottom left. Tap the selection tool. Put freehand mode. Grab the part we are interested in. Then tap invert. By the way, if you want to learn more features from the selection tool, you can watch this video. Drag 3 fingers on your screen to open the copy-paste menu. Then tap cut. Zoom in. choose the monoline brush with a small size. On your layer, make sure that alpha lock is off. Then fill in the blank. Reactivate alpha lock. Choose the brown color with the soft brush. Then use it to create shadows on each tooth mark. Tap with 2 fingers on your layer and slide to adjust the opacity. Now you can merge these 2 layers together. Let's add the cookie pattern. Choose the color black with the Tarkin brush from the texture brush set. Add a new layer. Tap the letter N, then set the overlay blend mode. Tap the new layer and choose the clipping mask option. Then use your brush slightly to make the texture appear on your cookie. Then merge your 2 layers. For the finishing touches, we're going to use the transformation tool to put the letter in the center of the canvas. Then create a new layer. Tap the Actions menu, Add, Copy Canvas, then Paste. Go to the Adjustments menu. Tap Sharpen Layer. Slide to adjust to 100%. Go to the Adjustments menu again. Tap Noise Layer. Slide to adjust to 5%. And now you have a letter with more crispy texture. And voila! If you find this tutorial helpful, the best thing you can do to support me is to click on the like button and to subscribe to my channel to learn more about lettering in Procreate. I'd like also to take this opportunity to tell you that I have created a free course to help you get started in Procreate. If you are interested, the link is in the description. So until the next one, bonsoir!